Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to discuss about potential difference. So, very first question is, what is potential difference? Okay, potential difference. Potential difference is a physical quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Suppose it is a charge Q and the force applied by the charge in this range. The force may be attractive or may be repulsive because it depends on the nature of on charge. Suppose we have to take another charge. It is called test charge, and this charge is situated at point A, and we are going to move this charge towards the capital charge Q. Suppose we are going to move, we have to take this charge, here is B. Okay, at B. So potential at point A is VA and potential at point B is VB. There are some difference between potential A and potential B. So we can write here VB minus VA is a potential difference which is equals to, listen carefully, work done to bring test charge from A to B. This is called test charge. This charge is called test charge. The definition of potential difference is to bring test charge from one point to another point in the opposite direction of electric field. It's called potential difference between 2 points. Why I say in the opposite direction of electric field? Because electric field is applied by this charge in this direction. This is the direction of electric field. So to bring test charge from one point to another point in the opposite direction of electric field is called potential difference between 2 points. Okay. The unit of potential difference is here. Unit of work done equals to joule and unit of charge is coulomb. So unit of potential difference is joule per coulomb. Or in another way, potential difference equals to work done upon charge. Work done is equals to W, charge equals to Q, and unit of work done is joule, unit of charge is coulomb, and unit of potential difference is volt. So unit of potential difference is, first unit is joule per coulomb and second unit is volt. That's why we can say volt is equals to joule per coulomb. And what is the definition of volt? So we use here 1 volt is equals to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. Means if 1 coulomb charge, if charge equals to 1 coulomb. If charge equals to 1 coulomb, then work done equals to 1 volt equals to 1 joule. Then we can say, what is the 1 volt? If we bring 1 coulomb charge in the opposite direction of electric field, then required work done is 1 joule. Then we can say the potential difference between these 2 points is 1 volt. It is called potential difference. I repeat, to bring 1 coulomb charge in the opposite direction of electric field, the required work done is equals to 1 joule. Then we can say the potential difference between 2 points is 1 volt. Okay, this is the potential difference. Next topic is, what is electric potential? What is electric potential? In this case, suppose we have to take this charge, this point, from infinity, at infinity. Infinity means there is no attraction force applied by this charge on the test charge. This case was called infinite. So point A is here. Now we bring to test charge from this point to this point. There is no work done because there is no force applied between this to this point, and force is applied from this range. So electric potential, this formula is converted into VB minus VA is equals to VW A to B upon Q naught. So VA, potential at B is VB, potential at A is in 0 because the point situated at the infinity. So work done is W from A is infinity to B is equals to Q naught upon Q naught. Now the formula is VB is equals to W infinite to B upon Q naught. And here is only one point situated inside the electric field of this charge. So we can say this VB is equals to V. So it is equals to V is equals to W upon Q naught. Now we can say what is the definition of electric potential? To bring test charge from infinite to a particular point of electric field in the opposite direction of electric field. Listen carefully. For the potential difference, we bring test charge from this point to this point. For the potential difference means we bring charge from one point to another point in an electric field. But for electric potential, to bring test charge from infinity to a particular point of electric field in the opposite direction of electric field is called electric potential. There is only one point inside the electric field. That's why there is no difference maintained. So this is known as only potential. But in this case, we have to bring one charge from this point to this point. That's why there is two points between inside the electric field. So here is difference created between the 2 points. That's why this term is called potential difference. Okay, and the unit of electric potential is also same, volt, joule per coulomb, because here is unit work done is joule, unit of charge is coulomb. So potential is equals to joule per coulomb, or 1 volt equals to 1 joule per coulomb. I hope I am clear to you. Okay. And units is also clear. Formula is also clear. Listen, important point. What is the work done when we bring charge in a constant electric potential? Constant electric potential. So work done is equals to PD. PD means potential difference. Here is PD, potential difference, into charge. So my question is, what is the work done when we bring test charge in constant potential? So for the constant potential, potential difference is 0. That's why we can say there is no work done when we bring test charge in constant potential. So there is no work done to bring test charge in constant potential. There is work done is 0. I hope I am clear. And for today's class, that is over. And in next class, we are going to discuss on next topic. Till then, you are going to be practice. I hope you have to take practice for these type of topics and notes also. Okay. Thank you very much.